We're about to put 2020, 2021, and 2022 in the rearview mirror. 3 of the roughest years to be a restaurant owner. The beautiful part about a new year is we get excited about the opportunities that present themselves. What I want to do right now is talk about how to improve your restaurant business in 2023. I'm going to do that in just a moment, so stay with me. I'm David Scott Peters, restaurant expert, coach, and creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. I've been coaching restaurant owners since 2003, and I'm really glad you're here to learn. Today, I want to talk about how to improve your restaurant in 2023. But before I do that, do me a favor, if you like video tips like this, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and oh yeah, that bell so you're notified when my next video tip comes out. And for more tips and tricks for running a profitable restaurant or to hear restaurant owner success stories, make sure you tune into my podcast, Restaurant Prosperity Formula, found in all the popular podcasting services. We all want to improve our lives and our business, and a new year brings hope that this year will be the one to achieve your goals. It's like starting with a completely blank slate. You get to ditch all the negative and focus on what could be. And in this case, you want to improve your restaurant in 2023. What is it that you really want to improve specifically, though? Think about it. Is it your service? Your food and beverage quality or your profit margins? Your employee quality or the training, labor costs, your management team? Maybe making a move to working on your business rather than in it. Most advisors would recommend that you literally put together your 2023 plan. And what I could certainly give you is a very specific plan, as I do with my current members. That plan is not really what will bring you success. See, no matter how simple or grandiose your plan is for improving your business, your life, even if it's the plan that I give you, it doesn't matter if you don't ultimately commit to those plans and take action. This is what I really want to have you focus on to make your 2023 a success, the success you desire. Let's look at it this way. Merriam-Webster.com defines the word commit as follows. 1, to carry into action deliberately. 2, to pledge or assign some particular course of use. While there's more definitions, like to place in prison or mental institution, kind of feels like that in our restaurant business sometimes. Let's just focus on the 2 things I got out of definition 1 and 2, and that's action and pledge. Let me remind you that you're working towards what I call the Restaurant Prosperity Formula, which is leadership plus systems, training, accountability, and taking action. Let me remind you how important mindset is. Not having a fixed mindset, but having a growth mindset. Because fixed mindset people see a challenge and it stops them dead in their track. And there are challenges every single day, where growth mindset people see the same challenges, but think positive, how they can get around those challenges, outlearn them, outspend them, outwork them. Are you really going to commit to your plans for 2023? Are you going to let your mindset stop you dead in your tracks like so many restaurant owners do? Are you willing to not only commit to your plan, but are you willing to take action? Action is the key to everything. It's time to renew your passion for this difficult business and commit to achieving restaurant prosperity. Again, freedom from your restaurant and the financial freedom you deserve. This means you're going to have to commit. Commit to becoming the leader your restaurant needs. Commit to implementing systems for every aspect of your business. Commit to learning every day and training others on what you've learned. Commit to be willing to hold your management team accountable. And most importantly, commit to taking action and actually taking that action. This will give you the time and the money to commit to other things that are important to you outside your restaurant, like your family, your health, friendships, hobbies, heck, personal interests and personal passions, your passion projects. If you want to jumpstart your path to improvement for 2023, let me suggest the following. 1, buy my book, Restaurant Prosperity Formula, What Successful Restaurateurs Do. 2, join my Facebook group, Restaurant Owner Coaching and Support, to gain a community of support, and where we often talk about mindset. 3, pick one thing you can do that you can truly accomplish out of those goals, your grandiose plans. And 4, and finally, take action. The key to your success is committing and taking action. If you're tired of not being able to leave your restaurant because no one else knows how to run it, I want to make sure you know it doesn't have to be that way. You can leave your restaurant. It is possible to build a team of people who know how you want the restaurant to run with trained and responsible people in place. You can give yourself time away. What would you do if you had time away from your restaurant? Would you sleep better? Would your relationships improve? Would you feel more relaxed? These are all things you deserve to experience as a business owner. It's why we own our own businesses. If you would like to learn how to own a restaurant that doesn't depend on you to be successful, click the link in the description to watch a free video to learn exactly what you have to do. Also, be sure to subscribe to get my weekly tips and watch these 2 videos to get more information and guidance for running a successful restaurant.